do?
Dance.
Dance? What kind of dance?
Hip hop mostly.
So, how long have you been out of school this week?
Pretty much all week.
What do you think about these snow days?
It's really cold. Very, very, very cold.
What do you think about the snow?
Well, it's pretty white.
It's pretty white.
Yeah.
That's a pretty incredible answer right there.
Yeah.
So is this the most snow you've ever seen?
Yeah. Last year was pretty much good snow too, but I think this year is a lot more.
So what have you been doing in the snow?
I have been throwing snowballs and making a mess in the yard. Yes, and a snow woman with a bikini.
And her name was?
I don't know. Raphaela.
Raphaela.
Rolf?
So how has your mom been in the snow?
I don't think she likes it very much.
Why?
I don't know. She's more of the most quiet person, more artistic, more warm person.
What's she been doing?
Painting.
What about Sarah? How is she like in the snow?
Yes, she got hit by a tree branch that fell from a tree.
What about Lexi?
Lexi, she's been having a good time too.
What about Sherry?
Sherry, well,
Is that
we were kicking her butt with snowballs, yes. She's on the floor begging for help.
A liar.
No, I'm not.
All right, Juan Pablo, this has been a minute and a half, so we're going to cut it off and see how it goes, okay?